Artificial intelligence in video games. Imagine a world where video games are smarter, more immersive, and truly interactive. Welcome to the future of gaming powered by artificial intelligence. AI-driven characters adapt to your playstyle, creating a unique experience tailored to you. No more repetitive gameplay or predictable opponents. Explore vast, dynamic worlds that change and evolve based on your in-game decisions. The possibilities are endless as AI crafts a living, breathing universe with a mind of its own. Embrace the revolution. AI is about to change video games forever. Are you prepared for the ultimate gaming experience? How AI change video games forever. Imagine a world where video games adapt to your playstyle, creating a personalized gaming experience tailored to you. That's the future of gaming, thanks to artificial intelligence. AI technology is transforming the gaming industry, taking it to new heights and offering players an immersive, interactive experience like never before. So, how is AI changing video games forever? Let's find out. Firstly, AI-driven procedural generation is revolutionizing game design. Developers can now create vast, dynamic worlds that are unique to each player, with endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. Moreover, AI-powered NPCs or non-playable characters are more lifelike than ever. They can learn from players' actions, respond to their emotions, and even develop relationships with them, creating a richer, more engaging narrative. In-game AI can also help players improve their skills. By analyzing gameplay data, AI can offer personalized tips and strategies, making the learning curve smoother and more enjoyable for players of all skill levels. But what about online multiplayer games? AI has that covered too. Advanced matchmaking systems can now pair players with opponents of similar skill levels, ensuring balanced and competitive gameplay that keeps players coming back for more. Accessibility is another area where AI shines. For gamers with disabilities, AI can adapt game controls and features, making games more inclusive and enjoyable for everyone. And let's not forget the impact on game development itself. AI can streamline the development process, cutting down on time and cost, allowing developers to focus on creating the best possible gaming experience. Are you ready to dive into the future of gaming? Imagine a world powered by artificial intelligence, where video games defy the boundaries of creativity and realism. That future is here, and it's changing the video game industry forever. AI is revolutionizing the way games are designed, developed, and experienced. Gone are the days of predictable and repetitive gameplay. Now, we have dynamic and immersive gaming worlds that constantly evolve and adapt to the players. One of the ways AI is making this possible is through procedural generation. This innovative technique allows developers to create vast and diverse environments, without having to handcraft every single detail. The result? Limitless possibilities for exploration and adventure. But that's not all. AI is also transforming the characters we encounter in-game. Non-playable characters, or NPCs, are now smarter and more lifelike than ever. They can learn from players' actions, communicate effectively, and even display emotions, making our gaming experiences more interactive and engaging. How about game difficulty? AI is taking that to the next level too. Adaptive difficulty systems analyze our playstyles and performance, allowing games to automatically adjust the challenge, ensuring a tailored and enjoyable experience for gamers of all skill levels. And let's not forget the impact of AI on virtual reality. With advanced AI algorithms, VR games can now understand players' physical movements and gestures, translating them into in-game actions with incredible accuracy, and creating a truly immersive experience. So, what does this all mean for the future of gaming? As AI technology continues to advance, the possibilities for innovative and captivating gaming experiences are endless. We can look forward to a world where each gaming adventure is entirely unique, personalized, and unforgettable. Get ready to embrace the AI-powered gaming revolution and witness how it changes the world of video games forever. Imagine a world where video games are no longer limited by human creativity but are enhanced by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the future of gaming, where AI is changing the landscape forever. Picture yourself in a game with an ever-evolving storyline, where each decision you make has a unique and lasting impact on the world around you. That's possible with AI-generated narratives that adapt to your gameplay. But it doesn't stop there. AI is revolutionizing game design by procedurally generating environments, creating limitless worlds to explore. Each player's experience is unique, with endless possibilities for discovery and adventure. What about the graphics, you ask? AI-assisted rendering can generate realistic textures, lighting, and animations in real time. This means stunning visuals, without sacrificing performance. Competitive gaming will never be the same. AI can analyze your gameplay, identifying areas for improvement and providing personalized coaching. Hone your skills and rise to the top of the leaderboards with the help of AI-driven insights. Worried about cheaters ruining the fun? Don't be. AI can detect and ban hackers in real time, ensuring a fair playing field for all gamers. Cheaters beware, the artificial intelligence is watching you. And let's not forget accessibility. AI can adapt games to suit the needs of players with disabilities, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the gaming experience to its fullest. So, are you ready to embrace the future of gaming? AI is here to change the way we play, and it's only just begun. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure, powered by artificial intelligence.